Thank you so much. I welcome you to Politics Today. I'm your brother Secret. It is so unfortunate that TVC media platform that belongs to the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, had always been in the practice of misinforming the Nigerian people. This is so unfortunate. The recent Supreme Court ruling that dismissed the appeal brought by the Rivers State Governor as it has to do with 2024 budget. That is what TVC media platform will tell the public that that by that ruling, the Supreme Court had made a pronouncement that Martin's-led House of Assembly is the authentic House of Assembly constitutionally recognized. They are telling the people the reason the governor decided to ask for the withdrawal of the case, the appeal, is because he knows there is no headway, he cannot win. What a trash.
For Fubara's appeal. Legal practitioner Justice Ojieno joins me now. Thank you for your time, Justice. Now, what's your reaction to this ruling by the Supreme Court dismissing Governor Fubara's suit, challenging the authority of Martins Amewole and asking him to represent the state's 2024 budget? And why do you think the governor withdrew his case, which prompted the Supreme Court to dismiss it?
Lawyers on his side, led by Mr. Yusuf Ali, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, must have weighed and found that there is really no merit in their own case in the Supreme Court, because I do not see a reason why they will fight it tooth and nail from the High Court to the appellate, into the appellate court and to the apex court, and now withdraw.
Why will a media platform not carry themselves with honor and dignity? Why will you be garbaging things as if it's a thuggery mentality? This is so shameful. We're in 2025, and a case about 2024 budget is before the court. Of what relevance? If you now say Fubara should go and represent the budget to Martins-led House of Assembly, which 2024 budget will he represent? The 2024 budget is not in existence at all. The budget had come and gone. Whatever was voted for spending had come and gone, fully implemented. What is running now is 2025 budget. And the decision was on 2024 budget. The governor asked for the withdrawal of the case, and so it was dismissed.
That is SC CV 1701-2024 became merely academic, because you could not now on that case determine the fate of the budget that already expired. Now, the appellate in that appeal, in keeping with the time-honored practice of not wasting precious judicial time, filed a notice of withdrawal of his appeal and urged the Honorable Court to dismiss the appeal. Accordingly, the Honorable Court granted the prayers sought and dismissed the appeal. This is all that transpired in the court and nothing more. The Supreme Court did not make any orders reinstating Martins Amewole and the 26 others as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Neither did the court make any findings on their status as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Because
why misinforming the people? This is so sad. But you see, why would the judiciary present themselves as enemies of the people? Why would the judiciary be presenting themselves as if they are a cog in the wheel of progress of the Nigerian people? 27 lawmakers defected from PDP to APC, according to the provision of the Constitution. which is very simple for even children to understand. By that defection, they lost their seat. Shamefully enough, the judiciary is still dragging their feet, delaying making a striking pronouncement that these lawmakers have lost their seat. Why the delay? You is always said justice delayed is justice denied. What is Supreme Court waiting for? They know how sensitive this matter is. How come Supreme Court will be giving ruling, then it will be subject to 1001 interpretations? Martin Zamefule will be celebrating. Yes, this Wike group will be celebrating. TVC New, Tinubu group, they will be celebrating. Is there any need for all this? Supreme Court should put their foot down and uphold the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Martin Amefule-led House of Assembly members had defected from PDP to APC and they lost their seat according to the provision of the Constitution. There is nothing anybody can do about it. They even went to the court with an affidavit to that effect that they are APC members. The judiciary cannot deny it. Because they have advised them that, look, there is no headway. They turned and said they never defected. It's meaningless. The documents are clear that they have defected. Supreme Court should help us end all this confusion in the system and move Nigeria forward. Let people know they cannot eat their cake and still have it. Let the Supreme Court give that particular decision. Let them rule on the matter that has to do with the 27 lawmakers. This issue of running around the question affecting House of Assembly members in Rivers State is uncalled for. Let them be definite and make their pronouncement. The time to do that is now. All this misinterpretation will not have value, will not be blessed. Supreme Court, please act fast for the good of the Nigerian people. Let us share this video. Let it get to them. Let them know this time they are wasting. It's uncalled for. There is a lot of tension, a lot of confusion as a result of the position of these House of Assembly members. And they are still running riot, threatening the governor, threatening the peace of the state. It's uncalled for. Let the Supreme Court do the needful. They have defected and they lost their seat. That's what the Constitution says. There's nothing anybody can do about it. Let us share this video and let us subscribe to this channel.